good morning to all my friends. I respected Mohan sir. Today let's talk about the 90s people and explore the life of those people who lives in 90s. People of 19th century lived in a world without cars, electricity, internet, etc. They used to ride with horses for a long ride instead of using this kind of transportation. Society in the 19th century was quite different. There were strict rules and expectations regarding class division and gender roles. Women had given a limited rights and opportunities compared to men, and wealthy people had more power and influence over society. Education was also not accessible to all the people. With many children, poorer families unable to attend the school. They often work for a very long time, like 12 to 15 hours in a day, and they support their families for a farm. Despite the challenges they face, people in the 19th century resilient and resourceful. They build communities and establish new businesses and pursue their dreams. Family and community also help people's lives by supporting and stability in difficult times. The ideas of the people in 19th century brought development of a different kind of technologies, but the incomplete work and ideas were completed by the 20s people. 20, we can see the increase in pollution in our society world in 2020s, and especially in the cities area, the water pollution, air pollution, and sound pollution. Sound pollution is taking life of the people. Water, but in 19th century the pollution was in minimal amount. The air and water were a lot healthier than today. As we can look at the 19th century, let's appreciate the people of 19th century strength and hard work. Uh, Hard work in living the world very different from now. Their legacy lives in the tradition, values, and innovation that continue shape our world today. Thank you for listening, my friends.
Ladies and gentlemen, good morning. Today let's reflect on the transformative journey of the 21st century. In this era has been rapid technological advancement, significant social changes, and global challenges. The rise of the internet and mobile technologies has changed our lives. The invention of smartphones and social medias has transformed the way we communicate and access information. The advancement in scientific and medical field has made our lives a lot easier and convenient. The development of different biomedical technologies has made doctors and medical related person to detect different types of diseases and research about detect the disease and research about it, and invent a new kind of vaccines to prevent the diseases and problems of the patients. The development of COVID-19 vaccines highlight the power of technology and science. Movements for equality, such as Black Lives Matter, gender equality have brought significant changes in our society. The rise of LGBTQ society has proven the point of equal society. Uh, everything about social norms, values and equality are mentioned in laws and constitution, but implementation of these laws and constitution has been great concern of our society. Frequent events occurred in 21st century occurred many political and economical events. The events of September 21, 2001, the one building crash, right? So,
What is the building?
reshaped global
The building crash was, what was the name of the building?
Everybody.
Pentagon.
Twin Tower.
Pentagon.
Twin Tower.
Everybody tightened the security of the country. Security to the best for avoiding this kind of events in their country. The COVID-19 pandemics exposed weakness, but also demonstrated human resilience, bounce back, and adaptability. Okay, we are in the last now. As we continue to speak about complicated and concerning about events of this century, it is evident that we are in the time of a progress. Okay, progress. Let us embrace this transformation and work together towards a better future. Thank you.
Okay.
If
Let me
you
ask
guys
you a
have
question.
any question, ask me.
Okay, there is one question for you. What do you most admire about your generation and yourself, your life in this area?
In this area, I love the way I live.
Simply why?
Why? Why I love the way I live? Because everything is perfect, nothing is missing. There is a services, lots of facilities for me. So yeah, the 90s is better than 80s.
90s.
What would you choose between 90s and 80s?
Me?
Right now, with this thought.
I always appreciate the time which I live and the people live also. I value all the times. It is necessarily, it changes, as human evolve, it changes. So I appreciate all those times. Though I wish I would have been back, because on the 90s people, they started of this all, and then we are living today. We are not progressing anything. These all are the sacrifice of them. So I appreciate those people. What should we do?
And friends, and today in this debate competition, I'm going to speak few sentences about 90s generation who were best, and I chose 90s generation because on that time people focus on their farming and they have no time to spend much time in mobile phones. So nowadays, this generation are generation of internet and technology. Internet have advantage and disadvantage. The first in 90th generation, people are living with their happy life and they have real friends and they spend most time with their families, and if we live like this in this generation, internet have distract our mind and if we spend this type of happy life, people can climb a stage of depression and it can distract our life also. And 90th generation is best. And thank you so much. I can't research and it's my only simple thoughts and thank you.
And good evening to all friends and teachers. Today let's go back to the 19th century. 19th century. It is very different from this time. This time people are living too peaceful in this time. This time people don't watch TV, laptop, that sort of thing. Then they can't go to school. Then they play games in friends. They are